Executive assistants, come closer. Let me tell you something. Your job is not to be liked. Your job is to create order, clarity, and protection around your executive. I know nobody told you this before you accepted the EA job role. I am sure that if someone had told you earlier, it would have saved you months, if not years, of confusion. That truth alone can sting, especially if you are someone who is naturally helpful, empathetic, and eager to please. Executive support doesn't reward people pleasing, it rewards competence, emotional intelligence, and structure. Here's the trap that nobody wants you about. When you start needing constant validation, appreciation for every task you do, emotional reassurance, approval before every decision, know this: executive support will slowly break you. Here's why: executives are under pressure, they are distracted, they are humans, and they often assume competence, not applause. If your confidence depends on praise, silence will feel like rejection. Urgency will feel like disrespect, and correction will feel personal. Let's be honest about what makes you truly valuable as an EA. Not vibes, not friendliness alone, not availability 24/7, but these three things. Number one, emotional intelligence. You must learn how to read the room without being reactive, separate tones from intention, respond professionally, not emotionally. An emotionally intelligent EA understands that pressure is not always personal. Number two, boundaries. Yes, you are supportive, but no, you are not a dumping ground. Boundaries protect your time, your energy, your efficiency. Without boundaries, burnout is guaranteed. Number three, systems. Systems are your real superpower. When your work is system driven, nothing depends on memory. Nothing collapses in your absence. Everything runs with or without emotions involved. Systems make you dependable. Systems make you trusted. System make you hard to replace. Now, here's a shift that changes everything. The moment you stop asking, do they like me? And start asking, does this create clarity, order, and result? You level up. Great EAs are not hired for approval, they are retained for impact. Executives don't need another friend, they need someone who can think ahead, protect their time, see what others miss, hold the structure when everything is chaotic. So, if you're entering executive support or you are already in it, ask yourself, can I stay professional when things get uncomfortable? Can I be confident without an applause? Can I lead from behind the scene? If yes, you're on the right path. If this message hits home, like, share this with an EA who needs this reality check, and follow for more. And I will see you in my next video. Toodles. Bye.